Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share the best tips to help you manage your finances and live a more comfortable life. Inflation's hitting hard, isn't it? It's like every time you go to the store, prices have jumped again. Prices are soaring, and it feels like your wallet's shrinking by the day. But don't worry though. We're here to help you navigate these tough times. I've got 10 life-saving tips to help you beat inflation and save more. Let's dive right in and make sure your money goes further. First things first, know where your money's going. This is crucial. Track your expenses and set a realistic budget. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back. It's the foundation for all your financial decisions. Without a clear picture of your spending, it's hard to make informed choices. Do you really need all those streaming services? They can add up quickly. Identify what you can live without and cancel those subscriptions. Every little bit helps, and you'll be surprised at how much you can save. Eating out often drains your finances quickly. Those restaurant bills can really add up. Learn some simple recipes and cook at home. Not only is it cheaper, but it's also a great way to ensure you're eating healthier. It's healthier and much cheaper. Plus, cooking can be a fun and rewarding activity. Non-perishables and household items are often cheaper when bought in bulk. This can save you a lot in the long run. Just be sure to compare prices and store items properly. This way, you avoid waste and maximize your savings. Make the most of cashback offers and reward points. These can add up to significant savings over time. Always be on the lookout for these opportunities. Wait for sales, use coupons, and consider generic brands. Often they are just as good as the name brands, but much cheaper. Don't be afraid to shop around for the best deals. A little effort can lead to big savings. Energy-efficient appliances and smart thermostats can reduce utility bills. These investments pay off over time. It's a long-term investment worth considering. You'll save money and help the environment. Learn some basic DIY skills. Fixing things yourself can save you a ton of money compared to hiring someone. Plus, it's a great skill to have. Call your service providers and try to negotiate better rates. You'd be surprised at how often they're willing to lower your bill to keep you as a customer. It never hurts to ask. Finally, look for ways to boost your income. Side hustles, freelance work, or even asking for a raise. Every extra dollar counts. Side hustles, freelance work, or even asking for a raise. Every extra dollar counts, and that's it. Implement these tips and you'll be in a much better position to handle high inflation. Implement